Good day, everyone, and welcome to the BTC Light Brigade. Today is Thursday, February the 20th. And right off the bat, just my apologies. Yesterday's video went a little longer than I expected, so I'll keep this one as brief as I can. All right, so this channel is all about forecasting BTC USD market for the following day. So we make a forecast, we review it in the beginning of the video, and then we'll give you a forecast as to what's going to happen tomorrow. So let me show you the forecast that we did for today. And remember, we posted it before we knew what was going to happen today. And, if you find that incredible, then there's just one thing you got to do. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and give us a like. Comment if you like too. I'd love to answer whatever questions you have. All right, so let's take a look at the forecast from that we posted yesterday for today. All right, so this was a forecast. We've broken it down into 3 sessions: Asian, London, and New York. In the Asian session, we start off at 5:35 p.m. Now, these are all North American Eastern times. That's where I am. That's my local times. You'll notice the first 3 times are 5:35, 7:45, and 10 p.m. Now, that's technically the 19th, okay, 19th evening. The software, I trade on MetaTrader, and as soon as 5 o'clock kicks in, it considers that the 20th, okay? So that's the first 3 times are in the evening, and then 12:05 a.m., obviously, for the 20th. All right, so that's how we look at that. Now let's go over to the charts and analyze each and every one of these trades. All right, so this is what happened in the market today. These are 5-minute candles. This is a 5-minute chart for BTC USD. All right, let's look at our timestamps. Let's start over here. This is when the Asian session starts, this dotted line. All right, our first time signal comes in right here. And as usual, we're going to draw vertical lines on all our timestamps, okay? Now, we'll tackle the first one here. Let me just zoom in a little more for you guys. All right, there we go. Okay, the market was trending up. And by the way, yesterday I did explain that this level, the market kept hitting it, this red line here. It was a major resistance on the daily chart, but you don't necessarily need to know that. You just wanted to explain why it was having trouble getting through there. But finally in the Asian session, it popped up above it. All right, so our first timestamp comes right here. We're going to draw our support line. Why? Because the market for the last 2 candles was pulling down. And then this one starts, so that's where we draw it. We get bullish candle, so we can take a long here. And we get some profit there. Market starts going sideways. You might want to get out somewhere there, or especially after a long candle like this, when you see wick, you will get pullback. All right. Our next time signal comes in this line here. All right, so the market was coming down. We get a bullish candle here. Our time signal kicks in. This candle closes above it. We're good to go long here. All right, here we go. We did get some retrace there because of this wick candle. Either you got out here, or if you stayed in, fantastic. Market goes up to our next time signal right here. This is a very long candle, and it's gone up for a while, so I will be looking at resistance fibs. So I'm going to let that candle close and then draw my resistance right at our time interval. What happens is we get this beautiful wick up here, bearish candle. You can short this if you like, but we are trending up. We are making higher highs, higher lows. So if you didn't go short here, that's fine. Okay, so what happens is the market comes down a bit, it comes back up again. If I pull this over, it respected our time interval from back here. The resistance that was created by it. We get a hangman candle here, another bearish candle here. If you want to go short again, I suppose you could, although, like I said, it's better to be going long on the pullbacks. All right, market comes down to our next time interval. There's a bearish candle right before it, and then this one is a little slight bullish candle. So if I want to keep the short, I'm going to wait till that candle closes and draw my resistance line right here. All right, now as you can see, the market cannot go above it. Nice huge bearish candle here. Long candles are always tested. Market comes back, touches our resistance line from our time interval, gets rejected, bearish candle, we can take that down again. All right, next time signal comes in right here. Let's see what happens there. We draw our resistance line. Market goes down. See, this is what happens now. Because we've been trending up, if you took the short here, there was hardly any profit here, okay? Again, if it's better to take longs, that's what I'm saying. What happened was yesterday the market created a nice bullish engulfing candle on the daily chart, so that's why today we're just looking for buys. But anyways, you can see how these intervals get respected, right? These time intervals, market hits them, it's going to bounce around, it's going to go south, it's going to go north on supports, etc. That's how they work. All right, and these two time intervals are very close together, and I always say if that happens, maybe you ignore the first one, pay attention to the second one. All right, second one, market's coming down. This big red candle closes here. I'm looking for support, so that's why I don't draw it here. I am going to draw it when the candle closes right here. All right, then we get a nice bullish candle. This we can take north. All right, stop below here or below here. Market goes up, gives us this long wick. Possibly you might get out. If not, you'd have to wait through all this. Market comes back to retest our time interval. Okay, takes off again. Nice bullish candles there. All right, and then it's on its merry way right to our next time signal right here. Gonna let that close and then draw it. And on this one, sorry, move this over, and I think this was here. 05. Yeah, that's the one. Okay. It's just going sideways, if you notice. Okay, and these two intervals are pretty close together. So let's not pay attention to this one. Let's pay attention to this one. But on this one, the market also was at the same level. Okay, now let that candle close. I'm going to draw it like so. Market dips below. We're not interested in below because we have a low here, higher low, higher low, higher low. So the market's going to give us a higher low between this point and this high. All right, somewhere in here. And that's what we're looking for. All right, what happens? We come down, we get that low. Now we don't have a time signal here, so what we have to do is we have to wait till the market crosses over the last time signal. Does it right here, close above, or here, we can go long here. All right, and we get some nice profit there. Red candle, you want to get out. Huge bearish move there. I believe that's when North American started. Let's see. Yep. Right at this point is when New York market opened and we had a big pullback. All right, that's fine. We have no time signals, so we're safe. You know, we probably got out here or here somewhere. We wait for the next time signal, which is this line here. As soon as that happens, gonna draw our support line because the market has pulled back. It's given us a nice, better entry. All right, wait till the market gets above. Here we go, bullish candle. We can buy that, stop below here. We did come back. So if you got a little worried and got out of that trade, normally I don't get out of trades. I let them get stopped out. But as you can see, this one didn't get stopped out because our stop would have been at the last low. Bullish candle pushes past. We can start buying again. All right, we're buying. Next time signal right here. Let's draw our support or resistance line. Market goes above. Nice big candle here. Big candles are tested, as I say. We came back 3/4 of that candle with another bullish candle. You buy it here somewhere or buy it when this one closes. And then you're off to the races again. All right. Then next time signal, we're going to draw, and that'll be the resistance. These two are fairly close together. Let's look at the second one. We had a pullback on that red candle. Right there. Okay, and then a bullish candle here. If you went long, that might not have worked out. But, you know, this is the end of the day. This is what usually happens if you're rallying the entire day, and then there'll be profit taking. So just be careful there. All right. So that is what happened in the market. Let me compress the chart so you can see all these wonderful support and resistances that we figured out a day in advance when the market turns were going to happen. All right. Continuation trade. Caught that. Support trade. So, you know, if you were ever thinking of getting into this and looking at time interval trading, please keep watching the videos. I'll keep trying to post them, and that's what the market did today. All right, folks, and this is the forecast for the 21st. All right, all the times are in North American Eastern Standard Time. Once again, we've broken it down into the 3 sessions: Asian, UK, and the New York session. I wish you happy trading for tomorrow, and stay safe. We'll see you then. Thank you.